This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal to disable airbags and electronics. This matters for safety. Next, pry off the A-pillar trim and center vent bezels with plastic trim tools so you don't scratch surfaces. Remove the glove box stops to access lower screws. Keep parts organized in labeled bags. Once these visible fasteners are out, you'll expose the dash top seams and retaining clips that we remove in the next steps. Once the cowl and top screws are out, locate and remove the hidden bolts along the bulkhead. These secure the dash shell. Carefully unplug the airbag connectors and set modules aside. Press the locking tangs and pull straight to avoid damage. Disconnect HVAC actuators, radio, and instrument cluster harnesses, noting their positions. Then, with a helper supporting the weight, begin to ease the dash forward to find any remaining clips or harnesses. You can now lift the dash clear while guiding wiring and heater hoses through their channels so nothing rips. Take your time to avoid breaking clips. Inspect all mounting points, foam seals, and HVAC ducts for damage, and replace worn clips before reinstallation to ensure proper fit. If the dash won't budge, stop and recheck for missed fasteners under the glove box, behind the radio, or along the A-pillars. That's the most common snag. Free them and proceed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.